Hey guys, really quick options update for the last week of July. Did a lot of closes, not a whole lot of openings. And once again, I'm running out of premium here. I'm being patient with the market and kind of waiting to see what's going to happen, but I do definitely need to put some trades on. So if you would, please go down in the description below and there's a link tree link. Click that one. There's ways you can connect with me. Use my Amazon link that sends me a couple pennies my way. If you do that, I would appreciate it. So thank you. So what we're going to do is go over the closes first. We're going to start on July 26th. I had covered calls on TQQQ. Opened those on July 19th. Closed them on July 26th for 33 cents. Made 139 bucks there in 7 days. SOXL, I had a string of puts that I sold on the 22nd in the $13, $14, $15, and $16 strike prices. Closed all of those out on the same day for 18 cents, 31 cents, 38 cents, and 38 cents, and roughly made $100 there off of those in 5 days. Covered call on Bank of America. Closed that one out for 12 cents. Made $13.74 in 28 days. Covered call on Intel. I closed out because I thought that Intel might pop on earnings, and they crapped the bed, so I lost 26 cents on this covered call. That could have been, full profit right there if I would have held on to it, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Ford put, I had 11 strike on it. Closed it for 10 cents, made 26 bucks in 10 days. TNA had a 30 put on it, closed it for 50 cents, made 53 bucks there in 7 days. My Bros PMCC, I opened up a PMCC on Dutch Bros. So I bought the call on the 25 strike, paid 10.38, and I sold the call on August 19th at the 37 strike, collected $188 for that. Closed those in 2 days. Closed the call for $11.98, made 158 bucks, and closed the covered call, air quote covered call, for 283, lost 96.30. So made 60 something bucks there in a couple of days. Smith & Wesson had a 12.50 put, closed that out for 10 cents, made 44 bucks there in 22 days. And covered call on Carnival Cruise, had a 12.50 strike, closed that out for 7 cents, made 15 bucks in 17 days. QQQJ had a put on it at 22, closed that down for 5 cents. Made 24 bucks there in 11 days. And then TQQQ, I resold too early the 30 covered calls I had earlier, if you recall. And I rolled it up to 31, collected 41 cents. Those expired, and the 300 shares got assigned at 31. So this contract ended up being full profit at $122.15 in 2 days. So that's not a problem. And that's it for the closes. Let's take a look real quick at the short list of openings. So we go here to 726. You'll see that's that Dutch Bros PMCC I did. I should have held on to that sucker, but I didn't. But woulda, coulda, shoulda. You can never look at what's happening on the left-hand side of the screen. It doesn't make any difference after you've closed out a transaction. PEY, I sold a covered call on it at the 21 strike. I'm just trying to get out of this one, free up some cash. Got 20 bucks for it at the 21 strike. Covered call on TQQQ. Those are the ones that closed out worthless. I did, with the earnings coming up on BP and the performance of the big oil majors last week, I went ahead and bought a call. I typically don't do this, but I bought a call to play earnings, and I did it on BP, and this expires this Friday, August 5th. I bought a 30 strike, and I paid 47 bucks for it. So if BP shoots up 10% on earnings today, I might double or triple my money on that call. But if they fall, then I'm only losing $47. Intel. So because I lost out on the call, I sold an at the money put, basically at the money at the time. 35 strike out to August 12th, collected $61. And then VFC, that's the VF Corporation. That's Vans, shoes, and apparel and all that stuff. Went out to September 16th, did a 37.50 put on it, collected $45. And that's it. Let's take a look real quick at premium cooking. So you'll see week ended July 29th, closed 15 positions, open 7, profit realized of $599.90, only sold premium $523.52, some of which was taken off, because this includes the stuff that was taken off in that same week. Total premium cooking only $4,968. Crazy part is most of that is that Art K, so I really don't have a whole lot out there cooking, but I'm ready to pounce. Maintenance margin ended up $27,800, buying power usage of 24%. Cash balance went up because of the TQQQ shares, went up to $25,716. No deposits, no withdrawals. $115,200 on the net lick, so highest it's been in quite a while. 2% return on maintenance margin, 0.5% return on the net liquidation value of the week prior's amounts. Going forward in August, I'm going to be looking to put some premium on here for sure. And if you notice, I probably have another tab here. It's called Premium Sold by Day. The reason why I'm going to do that, I'm going to start withdrawing money. Okay. I need to start withdrawing money to replenish my, those of you that have followed me for quite a while know that I save money in a savings account, and that's where my living expenses are, and I try to keep a number of months in there. Well, it's time for me to start replenishing that a little bit. I'm not down very much, but I need to just kind of add to that as time goes on. I got bills to pay. So what I got here is premium sold by day. So what I'm going to plan on doing, I don't know how this is going to work out in real life. I'm going to try it for August and see how it works, and probably September as well. I'm going to look at every week, and I'm going to list how much premium I sold every day, every week. Okay, so like today was Monday, I sold $134 in premium, collected $134. I'm going to automatically take 50% of that. Well, once the week is done, I'm going to take 50% of all the premium I sold and deposit it into my savings account. Now, I'm not going to include any rolls unless those rolls resulted in a net credit. So all I'm going to think about is the credit. Like, for instance, when I roll Art K, I might be rolling Art K here in week 3. There's going to be a big credit, not a credit, but yeah, a big premium sold. Like, if I roll it out, I might receive $3,000 in premium, or $4,000 or $5,000 in premium. If that didn't result in a credit, then I'm not going to put it here. I hope that makes sense. So that's the plan going forward for me, is to start withdrawing some money, right? Because I have almost $100,000 in part of this net lick in dividend stocks. So I'm getting between $600, $700 a month in dividends, and I'm going to just let those reinvest. But the premiums, I'm going to need to start pulling off to live, pay bills, and replenish savings accounts. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a good week. We got BP coming. Cross my fingers on BP. Check out the live stream. That's in the link down below. If you're interested in just having fun on a live stream, it's not necessarily financial. We talk about it, but we could talk about bidets. We can talk about fruit. We can talk about toilet paper. We can talk about whatever we want to talk about. If you're inundated with financial stuff and you just want to chill and have fun on a Sunday night, come check us out. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.